you guys, Sarah the Catholic Homemaker here. Today I'm requesting you guys to join me in a 54-day Rosary Novena. It goes from August 15th through October 7th, and I really hope you will join me and many other Catholics across this country to do the novena. Heather from A Catholic Mom's Life made a video this week to request Catholics and anybody you know to join in saying the 54-day Rosary Novena for our election this coming November and for our country, for unity and for peace. It's just really something that our country needs and our world needs. And she didn't get into politics. I'm not going to do that either because that's really not what my channel is about. But I do think it is very much needed in our world today to pray this rosary. Now, miracles have happened from the rosary, of course, but I have personally seen many wonderful fruits come from praying the 54-day Rosary Novena. I have said 3 total myself, 2 of them last year, 1 of them this year, for the end of the coronavirus. The first one I ever did, I did it by myself, and the last 2 I did with my husband. And the second one I did was with him, and it was the main reason we did it was because of his job, and I won't really get into that, but I will just say that it seems like miracles happened from that, and I definitely attribute it to us saying the 54-day Rosary Novena together. And it didn't happen right away, but I attribute it to that, and so does my family as well. They're like, wow, that's really powerful prayers you're praying from that. And it was so powerful that my mom and dad decided to say 54-day Rosary Novena together, and they're on their second one together. So I think it's just really wonderful. And what the novena encompasses is you're essentially saying the rosary every single day, but it's more prayers than just the regular rosary prayers. And it alternates between the joyful, sorrowful, glorious, and luminous mysteries. You say one each day. And what I ended up doing to remember which day I was on, I set it in my calendar. So I set it to repeat the joyful mysteries every 4 days and so on. And then I also marked in my calendar the first day, the midpoint, and there's a reason for that, and then the 54th day, so I knew exactly when to end. But the first, there's a total of 6 novenas in there, and a novena is 9 days of a prayer in a row. And it's a specific prayer, but with this is the rosary plus additional prayers. And I will link below what those prayers specifically are. There's a really great link to the 54-day Rosary Novena. It explains it all and what the miracle comes from. You alternate those prayers with the joyful through the luminous mysteries every 4 days. And the luminous are actually optional, but I really like saying the luminous mysteries, so I have said them. Now again, this novena is for peace and for unity in our world, and I really hope that you will join in on that. Now it is 6 novenas in a row. The first 3 are in petition, whatever you're asking for. So we're asking for unity and for peace in our world, and for ultimately God's will and whatever the election will be. And then the last 3 are in thanksgiving. And it says in the directions, in thanksgiving, you're to be thankful even if you don't receive what you asked. So that is very important. And we did not see the fruits of our prayers right away. So we still prayed in thanksgiving, but it's just a really beautiful and peaceful prayer to do, and I really hope that you will join us. I hope that you also subscribe to my channel to help grow this community, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the notification bell for all notifications. Until next time, bye, and may God bless you and your family.